So you got the credit balance between the buyer and the seller is for the tax, and that's going to be, as you say, from January to whatever the closing date is, because at the end of the year, the new buyer is going to pay it. Now, if it's from somewhere around October, depends on when everything comes out, but from October on, when we've received not only the valuation, this year's valuation, but this year's tax rate, and that's the one that usually is October sometimes. So if they have all that, title's going to pay it at closing. So that changes, that switches. So now there's actually the buyer is crediting back the seller because it's getting paid for at closing.
Yeah.
So it just depends on what month.
Exactly.
Yeah, and how big that number can be. But then there's also the the prepaids. So as a buyer, you're going to have your 1 year of insurance is going to get paid. So it starts effective that day and goes for 1 year. But they're going to put into your escrow account, usually, as you said, 3 months of insurance and 3 months of taxes for that buffer in there. And then with each payment that you make, it fills and adds to that and adds to that and adds to that, so that at the end of the year or whenever the next insurance period comes up, they have the money, they'll make that payment for you. And then all of that balances out, which can adjust your payment a little bit at the end of each year.